Finding blue-chip stocks that can double in a year is no easy feat. Blue-chip stocks are renowned for their stability and gradual growth rather than quick gains. However, there have been a few remarkable outliers in the past year that have managed to double in value. Let's take a closer look at these. Exceptional performers. Tata Motors. This stock experienced an extraordinary surge of 136%, driven by strong financial results and a significant turnaround in profitability. Investors have been impressed by the company's ability to navigate challenging market conditions and deliver exceptional returns. Bajaj Auto, another standout performer. Bajaj Auto saw its stock increase by an impressive 135%. This growth can be attributed to robust sales and profit growth. The company's strategic decisions and solid financial performance have resonated well with investors. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone. With a gain of 112%, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone has captured the attention of investors. The company's impressive revenue and profit growth have played a crucial role in its stock's remarkable performance. Adani Ports has proven itself as a reliable player in the market. Coal India, despite concerns about the coal industry's sustainability, Coal India managed to prove the critics wrong by experiencing a 103% increase in its stock value. The company's steady revenue and profit improvements have contributed to its remarkable performance. Coal India has demonstrated resilience and adaptability in an evolving market. Hero MotoCorp, rounding out the list, is Hero MotoCorp, which witnessed a 101% rise in its stock value. Fueled by strong financial performance, Hero MotoCorp has managed to stand out in the competitive automobile industry. Its consistent growth and strategic initiatives have attracted investors' attention. These stocks have undoubtedly shown exceptional performance in doubling their value within a year. However, it is essential to remember that past performance is not always indicative of future results. When investing in blue-chip stocks, it is crucial to maintain a long-term perspective, focusing on stability and consistent returns. If you require more information on any specific stock or sector, feel free to reach out. It's important to stay well informed when making investment decisions.